In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the meeting ID and passcode during a meeting on Microsoft Teams. This can be incredibly useful if you need to share the meeting details with someone who's having trouble joining, or perhaps a colleague needs to dial in by phone and requires those specific numbers. Accessing this information directly from your meeting can save time and hassle. To begin, once you are actively participating in your Microsoft Teams meeting, direct your attention to the meeting control bar. This bar typically appears at the bottom center of your screen and contains various interaction icons like mute, camera, share, and so on. Look closely for an icon that resembles 3 horizontal dots, or an ellipsis. This is universally recognized as the More Actions, or simply More button. It's your gateway to a deeper menu of options and settings available during your call. Go ahead and click on this More button to reveal the next set of choices. It's a crucial first step for accessing various functionalities within Teams. Once you've clicked on the More button, a drop-down menu will gracefully unfold, presenting you with a list of additional actions and information categories. Among these options, you'll need to locate and select Meeting Info. This choice is specifically designed to consolidate and display all essential details of your current meeting. Think of it as a central hub for your call's administrative data. Clicking Meeting Info will open a dedicated section or window where these vital statistics are presented clearly. This action is paramount for finding the meeting ID and passcode. Upon selecting Meeting Info, a new panel or a small dialog box will typically materialize on your screen, often appearing on the right-hand side or as an overlay. This newly opened window is your Meeting Details pane, and it provides a comprehensive overview of your active meeting. Here you'll find information such as the meeting organizer, the specific date and time it was scheduled, and most importantly for our purpose, the connection particulars. Take a moment to scan this window. It's designed for clarity, so the key pieces of information should be easy to spot. Sometimes, depending on the layout, you might need to scroll down slightly to view all the presented details. Within this Meeting Details window, your primary objective is to find the meeting ID. This is a unique numerical sequence that acts as a specific identifier for your particular meeting session. Look for a label explicitly stating Meeting ID, Conference ID, or something very similar. It's usually a string of digits, often separated by hyphens for readability. The meeting ID is crucial for participants who might be joining through alternative methods, such as a traditional phone call, or from a different client where they need to input the ID directly. Often, right next to the ID, you'll find a convenient Copy button. Clicking this will automatically copy the ID to your clipboard, making it simple to paste and share. Now let's turn our attention to the passcode, which is often located in close proximity to the meeting ID within the same Meeting Details window. The passcode serves as an additional layer of security, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access the meeting. You'll typically see it labeled as passcode, meeting passcode, or occasionally PIN. This will be a shorter sequence of characters, which could be numbers, letters, or a combination of both. Just like with the meeting ID, if you need to share this with someone, ensure you copy it accurately. Many Teams interfaces will also provide a copy button right beside the passcode, allowing for quick and error-free sharing. Confirm you have both, if they are required for entry. And that's how you can quickly and easily find both the meeting ID and passcode during an active Microsoft Teams meeting. This knowledge empowers you to assist others in joining efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching.